Okay. Now it's right. Okay. So good evening, everyone. Now welcome back to grade 11 ICT class. So actually, these days, yeah, just talking about the web designing lesson. So actually, we learn about several tags, no? So in the last week, I think we have learned about list tag, no? How to enter, how to include list in our page, no? We learned that one. And today, actually, I think, as I know, today you are going to learn about the tables. Okay. So to include tables, we need to use several tags. So today we are going to learn about those tags, and also you need to learn about the hyperlink. So those two tags are the remaining tags we have to learn. So I will just quickly recap the last week. Actually, not the last week. I will recap the list tags. Okay. Right. So actually, we have three type of lists. No, we have three type of list. One is ordered list, right? Ordered list means in ordered list we can include items. First one, ordered list. Ordered list. In the ordered list, actually, we can include item in an order. Okay, in an order like apple. Apple number 2 is car. Number 3 is house. Likewise, we can include our list in an order in order list. Okay. So how we can start the order list? What is the starting tag? OA. No, OA, which means order list. And also there is an attribute. No, there is an attribute. Actually, you can start from the OL. So it is a normal method. Okay. And the other thing is you can always insert an attribute. So here we have attribute called type. No, we can change the type of the list. I mean the number. Okay. So if we put number 1, which means the normal numbered list, and also we can put capital A, it will create uppercase numbered list, A, B, C, likewise. We can put simple A, it will create simple lowercase numbers. Okay. And we can put simple I. Simple I means what? Roman numbers, no? Roman numbers in lowercase. And also we can put capital I. It is like Roman numbers in uppercase, like you know the difference, no? This is uppercase like 1, 2, 3, likewise. In lowercase, it will be like 1, 2, 3, likewise. Okay? That is the difference between the capital I and simple I. Okay. So then the default one is this number 1, which means this list will be the default type. If you didn't include this type attribute, this normal what we call Hindu Arabic numbers, no? These Hindu Arabic numbers number type will be the default. Okay. So then we have three list items. Okay. This is apple is one item, car another item. Likewise, we have three items. So here we can put we can include list item in LI tag. LI means list item. Okay. So the first list item is apple. So the first list item will be closed, and the second list item will be started and car. It will be closed. Third one, house, close. No, there is no for any fourth one. So then the order list will be closed. So then oil is closed. This is order list. Very simple. Very simple. Then the other one is unordered list. Unordered list. Unordered list means there is no any order. It is like bullet list. No, it is like a bullet list. So in the unordered list, Only one thing is different, the starting point. So the ordered list will be start as OL, okay, OL, which means ordered list. So here we have unordered list. We can start by UL. Okay, very simple. UL. UL. This is the default one, bullet point. Okay, apple and car, how, right? So UL. Here also we have type. Okay. We have several types. One is square. Okay. Other one is circle. Okay. And the other one is this default one. Okay. Default one. So I'll put square. Square. Okay. So then again list item. List item close. Likewise. Unordered list close. Okay. That is the second method. And the third method mean the last list type. So here actually the other one is disk. I didn't wrote, no, disk. So the type. So here actually the square means this should be square. So the default one is this disk. Okay. The last one is what? We have ordered list. We have unordered list. The last one is description list. Description list. So here we are going to include our items as a description, which means here we are going to put a topic. Okay. So here like what? Let's see, fruit. This is the topic, and then within this topic we can include several items. Okay, those are like description. So what are the fruits? Apple. Then we have what? Mango. So then another one, vehicle. Vehicles. Car, van, likewise. So these are topics. As you can see, here we have two types. Okay. These are one indent, these are in one indent. So these are in another indent. Apple, mango, car, likewise. Okay. So these things are called as topic. No? These things are called as topic. These one. And those are detailed. Detailed. Whatever. Detailed. Things are wrong. Yeah. So those are details. Okay. So then we can start our list by this. This is description list, no? Which means we're going to start by DA. Description list. First of all, we have to start the topic. No, the first one is topic. No? So then this is a not normal topic. This is a description topic. No? This is a topic in a description list. So we call that one as description topic, which means DT. Description topic. Okay. We have fruit. So then this topic, description topic is finished. So then the next one is detail. So this is not a normal detail. This is a description detail. So then we have description detail, DD, apple. This one will be close. Another detail, mango. Again close, DD. Again, then we have a topic. So which means we have DT. Okay. So it will be close. So then we have the two details. So two details, and then the description list will be closed. Okay. So those are the three list types. Very easy. Okay. Very easy to remember and very easy to write. So as I told you in the last week, you have to remember this one because definitely you will have a question in the older paper. Okay. Definitely will have a question in the I don't know in the MCQ or else in the second paper. Okay. Most probably in the second paper. So you know in the second paper we have what web page and there is a code given. So we have to fill the blanks. Okay. So in that case, actually we have this kind of lists, right? And also, lastly, I have given you a homework. I have given you the homework. Can you remember that one? Hmm? Can you remember the homework? Good, good. Right. Let's discuss that one. Actually, in that code, actually I have given you a code. So in that code, uh, what it is like a nested list. Okay, nested list means a list inside the list. No, it is like that. No. Right. So let me share the screen and so give me 1 second. This is the homework. Okay, this is the homework I have given you. So here, as you can see, right, I'm still blue, no? I'm a blue man. Give me 1 second. Yeah, okay. So, sorry. So let's discuss this one here. Here the body is started. So first of all, we have order list. Okay, order list, and there is no any type attribute, no? So that means actually we will have a default type order list. Default type means what? Invalid numbers. Yeah, invalid numbers. So here we can write, so I write here. First list item, number 1, will be computer. Okay. And we have number 2, laptop. And number 3, mobile phones. Mobile phones. Right. What about number 4? This is the number 4. Here, as you can see, the next list item is the number 4. But before we move to the number 4, we have another unordered list, which means here we are not going to put number 4. So number 4 will be later on. We will have that one in later. Before that, we have another unknown list. So here actually we have to put tab space because you know when we start a list, it will start from a tab space, but not in the description list. Okay, just keep remember that one. Description list will be started at the same indent. Okay, at the end, likewise. Yeah, at the end of the indent. Okay, the other list, the numbers list or as an unordered list, will be started by keep one tab space indent. Right. So here actually we need to have circles, but let's see if we can include circles. You know, I don't think that we will have circles. Let's get this one. No, this one as a circle. I don't think we will have a circle. This one. It is like a circle. Yeah. Samsung. Samsung. And another circle, so I will just copy this one. The next list item, Apple. So then that unordered list will be closed in here. Okay. So again, we will have the next list item in the default list. Okay, this one, number 4 will be tablet, right? So this is how the output will be up. Okay, right. Okay, so the output will be like this, as you can see. So here we have one number 1, 2, 3, and then we will have another unordered list in the inside that list, and then again we have the number 4. So then the ordered list is closed in here, and the body is closed in here. Okay. So that's how this output will become for this code, right? Okay. Okay, no? Subhashan, I think you have to write this one. Did you try this one? Subhashan, did you try this one? Okay. So do you have that science class today also? Okay. Okay. So as usual, you can just watch this or else you can join the live class. But you have to write finish the tute when you back home. Okay. Right. So this is the things we have discussed in last week. And the other thing is actually, guys, I didn't put any recordings for the last week because I had to. Actually we couldn't conduct this class in the last week because I had to participate with a conference. Okay, there was a conference in the last week, so that's why I couldn't conduct the class. So I wrote a research paper, right? You know, when you are in the university, we have to write one research. We have to do a research in the last year, but actually I have done several research. So this is another one. So we actually we design a hybrid battery tester. Okay, so me and my colleagues. So then I have wrote a research paper in that one. So then I had to publish that one. They have also conference for publish that one in the SLIT University. So I went to that conference. That's why I couldn't conduct the lecture. No, the lecture, this class. The lecture was also postponed for my visiting lectures. That's the thing. And the other thing is actually I didn't given you a recording because this should be discussed as a live class because here we are going to learn tags. No? So this should be learned as a live class, but the next week actually we have theory parts to cover. So that one will be covered as a recording. Okay? For the last week, I need to give you a recording or else the extra class. So that one will be given by a recording because that is a theory part. You know about those things. We have just discussed. Sorry. So you already know these, but we have to discuss. So that's why I'm going to give you recording because it is not hard to understand, right? So let's discuss the coding part, the tags, the other tags. So then let's move to the next part, right? Okay. The next tag, actually, as I told you, we have two tags left. So the next tag is the hyperlink. Okay, hyperlink. Hyperlink. What do we call as hyperlinks? Hyperlinks. You know these things. Okay? Hyperlinks means when you are in the web browser or else any web page, okay, using web browser, we have several words and several images to click. No, when we click those images or words, so it will navigate us to another web page. Those are called hyperlinks. Okay, so hyperlink is one of reason to famous this internet. Okay, it's been the internet is very famous thing. Everyone is using those things. Okay, to actually to use internet, we need to have a easy method. No, we need to have a easy method. So that easy method is the hyperlink. We can move around any pages with using these hyperlinks. Okay, it is like this. So here we have one page. Okay, we are in this one, index.html message. Okay, so here we have another page about .html. Right, we have two pages. So in order to go to this page, okay, so this is this is a web page in the internet. Okay, so in order to go to this page, you have to open the web browser. No, you have to open the web browser and type the URL. No, uniform resource locator URL. You have to type this one in the web browser. Okay, that is the address of this web page. No, uniform resource locator. It will locate the resource. Okay, resource means the documents, right? We have to type that one. In order to go to this one, we have to type. Okay, so we are going to type index.html. Okay, so then actually I need to go to the about page. Okay, so then if I want to go to another page, what we have to do? Again, we have to write the URL. Okay? We have to type the address. So it is a little bit time consuming and it is a little bit hard. Not little bit. It is very hard, no? Always you have to type, no? So that's the hyperlink is come to the play. Okay. Which means here actually we can include any word or any what image or something. Okay. I will include word click. Okay. So when I click this word, okay, click the click word, okay, then this click word will be attached with this web page. Okay, so then what's happening? When I click this one, it is attached to this web page. No? It will drag. Okay, it is like dragging this web page to here. So then the web browser will show the web page. Okay, it is like dragging the web page. Okay, so what is the tag? Tag is very easy one. Okay, we call that tag anchor. Anchor tag. It is starting from A. Okay, for anchor tag. What is an anchor? Do you know about anchors? Not the that what milk powder. Okay, not the milk powder. Anchor milk powder. Okay, so anchor means what we call that one as the anchor. The English name is anchor. The signal we call that nangurama. No, nangurama. I think you know about nangurama. No, it is like this. No, it's like this. This is nangurama. Okay, this is anchor. So anchor is used in what? It is used in ships. No, it is used in ships. So then, if the ship want to stay in the same place, stay in port, so ships don't have handbrakes. So as in our vehicles, we have handbrakes. No, if we pull the handbrake, so the vehicle won't move. Okay, likewise, we don't have handbrake in the water. Okay, if we have ships, okay. So in that case, we have this anchor. So what happened? So here we have this is like boat. Okay, yeah, this is like boat, though, not ship. So let's draw ship. This is like ship. Okay, this is like ship. So then this is the ground. Okay, this is the ground. Okay, I will draw ground in black. This is the ground, and this is the water level. Okay, what is going to do? The ship will drop the anchor. Okay, so the anchor will go to the ground, and it will stay here, and it is like it is going to pull the ground. No, okay. The physics is the anchor is going to pull the ground. Okay, but the ground is not pulling. No, the ground cannot be pulled. So the inverted will be happen, which means the ship will be pulled to the what ground. Okay, that's happening in the anchor. Okay, so here when we talk about the web pages, we have that anchor tag. Okay, so it is like going to pull the web page, the other web page. Okay, basically it is like a connection between one web page to another web page, right? Okay, let's write the tag. So the anchor tag, as I told you, we are going to start from A. Okay, A means the anchor. The meaning is the anchor, and then we have to put the reference of this page. Okay, the reference of this page. This page is called as, we can call this one as hyperlink reference. Reference. Okay, this is the reference. We are going to put the anchor tag, and then we have to put the reference. Where do I need to go? Okay, that is the other web page. So then we have to put the reference. So in that case, we are going to use this hyperlink reference like this H and the RF. The meaning is hyperlink reference. Okay, so we can remove several words, letters, and we can write href. It is like hyperlink reference. Anchor hyperlink reference should be an address. So here we are going to put the address. I will put an example of C what class about.html. About.html. Okay. Right. So then we are going to close this tag. This is the opening tag. Okay, this is the opening tag. And then we are going to put the words we need to click. Right? In here, in this case, actually, we have to click. We have to click the click. So then I'm going to put the word click.